Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here I'm going to show you how to fix Paramount Plus buffering. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So there's a few things that you need to do for you to actually fix this problem. So one of those things that you could do here is go to your account and basically log out and log in into your account. Sometimes doing this can actually fix that issue, but in this case, if you already tried that and it has this issue of buffering, then there's still a few things that you need to do or you need to try doing. In this case, one of those things is you have to make sure that you've disabled your ad blocker as well as you're not using VPN. Now, if you're using any VPN, make sure to turn that off and see if that solves your issue. In this case, at the top right of your screen, in this case, I'm actually using Google Chrome as my browser. You should be able to see your extensions. Go to Manage Extensions here and make sure that you don't have any blockers that is enabled right now. So in this case, you can go ahead and just disable that one or basically uninstall it from your browser. And from then on, reload your browser again, close it and open it up again and log in and see if that solves your issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, you also need to make sure that you have the latest version of your browser. So at the top right, go ahead and click on three-dotted icon. Go ahead and go to settings here. Go ahead and go to About Chrome and see if you have the best or the updated version. Now, once you've done that, see if that solves your issue. Now, if this still doesn't solve your issue, then the next thing that you could do here, or the best thing that you could do here next, is to try it on a different device. Now, checking on a different device sometimes help you see if the device itself is a problem or your internet connection. Now, if your internet connection is the problem here, you might want to consider contacting your provider and see or just check if there's a lot of people using your internet connection. Now, if you're downloading something or a lot of people are using your internet connection, then most likely that's what's causing the buffering on your Paramount Plus. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.